Standing tall. Understanding, tall in the saddle. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: tall in the saddle. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and it's a fantastic example of how English can use metaphor to convey complex ideas. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. So, let's saddle up and discover the depth of this phrase together. Tall in the saddle is an idiomatic expression that means being confident and in control in a situation, especially a challenging one. The phrase conjures the image of a rider sitting upright and confident on horseback, not intimidated by the challenges that lie ahead. This metaphorical use highlights qualities like courage, resilience, and the ability to manage difficult situations with grace and assurance. The origins of tall in the saddle are deeply rooted in the cowboy and rodeo culture of the American West. Cowboys had to remain composed and authoritative when riding horses, especially in rough conditions or when handling difficult animals. This expression encapsulates the essence of maintaining control and exuding confidence, even when faced with adversity. Using tall in the saddle in conversation or writing instantly adds a layer of vivid imagery and depth. It's perfect for situations where someone is overcoming obstacles with confidence, showing leadership and poise under pressure, maintaining dignity in challenging circumstances. Example sentence: despite the setbacks in the project, she remained tall in the saddle, guiding her team towards completion. There are several other English expressions that convey similar meanings, such as keeping a stiff upper lip, to remain resolute and unemotional in the face of adversity, or standing one's ground, to refuse to give up or be moved by opposition. Each of these phrases highlights different aspects of resilience and determination. Understanding and using phrases like tall in the saddle can greatly enrich your English communication, adding color and depth to your conversations and writing. It's a beautiful example of how language can encapsulate culture, history, and human emotions in just a few words. We hope you've enjoyed exploring this expression with us and that you feel more confident using it in your own English language journey. Until next time, keep standing tall in your saddle, and happy learning!